Hello dear Capricorn, I hope you all are doing really good. This is Falguni and I'm here to do your monthly tarot reading, and this is for the month of October. So let's see what is coming towards you, Capricorn, for the month of October. This is for Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising. Okay, and please remember that this is a general reading. It will not resonate with all of you. There is no point of leaving comments like it doesn't resonate and things like that. Also, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you may reach me on my email address given in the description box below. Okay, so let's begin and let's see what is coming for Capricorn in the month of October in love. Okay, let's see what is coming for Capricorn in love for the month of October. Okay, so you have some sort of maturity or mature energy, a mature offer that is coming towards you in the month of October. The roles might get reversed, take it how it resonates with you. But someone is not willing to take the action. I mean, one of them is quite mature and there is a situation where the person wants to listen to their inner voice. They want to take action towards you, but they are not taking it. They feel that you have that maturity within you. Maybe that is the reason. So let's clarify it further. What is the maturity card here for? 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 Okay, Capricorn, let's see what is the maturity card here for. What is the maturity card here for? Okay, so basically someone is wanting to have that mature, stable beginning with you and getting that enlightenment of some sort, but they are in a resting mode at the moment. They are getting that enlightenment in this month, not taking any action, but they are getting that enlightenment that, you know, they need to make it work, and this is what is a mature, stable beginning that they can have with you. So they are getting that awakening. They are now ready to offer that cup of love towards you because they are getting that awakening. Okay, let me see why are they feeling lazy and not taking any action. Let's see why not taking any action towards Capricorn. Okay, so they are basically in a healing mode at the moment. They are trying to heal. So they are relaxing, they are healing, they want to avoid that conflict, the competition, the ongoing fights, disagreements, arguments. Okay, so they want to be victorious in the situation when they come towards you with the offer. They want your attention. They don't want to fight for your attention, but they want your attention unbiasedly. I mean biasedly, whatever you call it. But they want your attention completely on them, focused on them. Nothing should be affected. Plus they want victory in the situation. So they are not taking any action. They are waiting. I mean, they are trying to heal themselves first, relaxing themselves, rejuvenating and everything, so that they can gather the strength to come to you with the offer. Okay, so right now they want to move towards calmer waters with you. They want to calm down the situation basically. Let me see what is the inner voice card here for. What is the inner voice card here for Capricorn? What is the inner voice card here for? What is the inner voice card here for? Let's see. So the inner voice card is, again you have that. So their inner voice is telling them that they need to be defensive. You might blame them for something. You might argue with them for something, and they want to calm the situation. So they want to control the situation. They want to have their balance. They don't want to fall off track. They want to be in control of the situation. Okay. So that is what their inner voice is telling them, to wait and watch for some time, to observe, to heal themselves, so that they are able to deal with all sorts of things and make it work out in their favor. Basically, that is what they want, and then they can move towards calmer waters with you. They don't want you to walk away. They know that you are also very defensive at this point of time because of something that has happened between you two in the past. You are very defensive and you are very authoritative also at the same time. You say it how it is and you want it your way. So that is what the inner voice is telling them. Their inner voice is telling them that they should wait and watch for some time before they actually go towards you with the offer. They see a potential beginning with you here, but they are afraid of the conflicts and the battles, and so they want to wait and watch. They want to listen to their inner voice and wait for the time when you lower down your guards a bit. Okay, their intuition is guiding them towards this situation at this point of time. Alright, Capricorn, so that was what we have for you in love. Let me just arrange the cards and then we'll see what is there for you in your career this month. Okay, so let's see what is there for you coming towards you, Capricorn, in your career this month for October. What's coming towards you in your career for the month of October? What is coming towards you in your career for the month of October? Alright, Capricorn, let's see. Okay, so you have lovely energy. Very nice reading so far. I mean, this is good. You have some sort of participation, teamwork that will bring in very fruitful results for you, and you are willing to take it one step at a time, moment to moment. You are not in a rush. You know that you will get that stability. You have that stability coming towards you, Capricorn. Very beautiful energy, full of abundance, full of wealth. Nice energy, amazing energy. Also, you need to let go of certain things that did not work out for you. Don't keep hanging around those things. Okay, let's see what is the participation card here for. Let's clarify the participation card here for you, Capricorn. Let's clarify the participation card here. 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 Okay. Okay. So you have, again, you have this lovely energy, a stable beginning, a beautiful offer. I told you there is teamwork, so there are more than two people involved, or maybe two. So one of them is two people are showing up here currently. You may have more than two also. So you have a teamwork that leads to a major success, a major beginning in your work area, work progress, and a very stable beginning. Very stable. Okay, that will give you a lot of abundance, and this will be a resultant of teamwork. Let me tell you, you need to invest your time with a team. I mean, you won't be able to do it alone. It's a major project, it's a major task, or something of higher magnitude. That is what I feel from the situation. Something big is about to happen. Okay, what else? Why is the moment to moment card here? Why is the moment to moment card here? Please clarify the moment to moment card for Capricorn. Let's clarify the moment to moment card for Capricorn. Let's see. So we have this moment to moment card because again you have this you're taking it one step at a time because you're still learning. Okay, you are still learning. You're still learning the logics behind it, the basics, the foundations and everything. So you want to take it slow. You're observing, you're learning, you are working as a student and everything. You want to deal with this logically. So you need to know the if and buts or whatever facts are involved. You don't want to take an action in a haste because like I told you, it's something big. So you want to know everything clearly before you take a decision, because you want to be aware of the scenarios, of the past, of the consequences, of the all the factors involved before you go into it completely. Okay, what is abundance now? Let's clarify the final card. Abundance also, though we are clear that it is bringing you a lot of abundance, let's see, still let's see. Yes, so you have, oh, beautiful energy, like you have the best career reading, I would say. So here you have again two choices in your career path, or maybe something that you're divinely guided to work towards. Again, you're beginning as a page, you are a learner, you are a messenger, you are you are also contributing as a page. As mean you are learning the ifs and buts, the scenarios. You're working as a student, you're learning along, you are working along with learning, and there is a celebration in store for you. Beautiful energy. You will be celebrating something soon this month because you have a lot of abundance that is coming towards you, Capricorn. Okay, so let's quickly see your guidance for the month. What is the overall, sorry, just a second, card fell down. Yeah, just a second. What is the overall guidance for Capricorn for the month of October? What is the overall guidance for Capricorn for the month of October? What is the overall guidance for Capricorn for the month of October? What is the overall guidance for Capricorn for the month of October? Let's see. So we have sharing. You need to share, you need to be open to sharing your knowledge, your wisdom with others, or be open to receiving also at the same time the knowledge, the wisdom from others, and also be open to sharing your happiness, your celebrations, your gifts, your results, your outcomes, your fruits of your labor. Now is the time to share. Very lovely, amazing, amazing. So that was your reading, Capricorn. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed and stay happy. Thank you. Namaste.